What's up, guys? So we're gonna play some Gorilla Tag. Let's start playing.
No, I am no. Guys, the last monkey's up there.
No, there's two monkeys.
Not the last monkey.
Monkey.
That's the last monkey. Oh, there's
Dang it.
there's three. Sorry.
Cause there's one at the wall. There's one at the. Okay,
Suck at wall climbing. Circ. Wait. Yeah, I lied.
Got him. Oh, I'm so rusty right now. Haven't played in ages. Bro, first my guy.
Listen.
What's up, purple? Bro, man's got the whole
Not
nation
today.
on it, bro. I got you. Let's go.
Bro.
Oh yeah.
Wait, yeah, one more. Wait, dude, don't tag me for a second. Can you please get Cyan? He keeps giving me the finger.
Alright, I'm back.
He's being mean. Cyan's a meanie.
What are we
He keeps
Hey,
giving me
Purple,
the
come on,
finger
follow
every
me.
time I get
Purple,
tagged.
follow me. Come on, we gotta go.
Like, go.
Run, people.
Watch out!
Coconut! How the poop, bro? My... Oh? Hen?
I'm not gonna lie, this is my favorite lobby.
Oh!
People are actually nice. He saw me.
Bro, good thing I'm a master brancher.
I'm running because he saw me. That's so weird.
Look. Well, I mean, we're playing Gorilla Tag, but.
How? How?
I'm not.
I'm good.
Just witness.
Hey, party hut.
Just.
Hi.
No.
Yo, bro, coconut, bro, you should be pretty good. The coconut says it all.
What did you do about Nana?
I've actually never had a coconut.
I have the coconut head. I have the coconut head.
I've never actually, like, eaten one.
But you never had a couple in your mouth.
I can't move, bro. It's good here.
Should I slip?
Get black.
Oh, I got stuck. I
Get the
fell
black
in her
monkey.
life.
Get the black monkey.
That's kind of racist, bro.
Purple.
Kinda.
Get purple. Get purple.
no.
Get purple. Get the purple one out. No, not me. I'm gonna whip out the sparkler. I'm gonna whip out the what? Right from
Oh,
my butt. I'm gonna whip it out.
Man.
You come after me, I'm whipping out the sparkler. Right out of my.
Oh my gosh, dude.
What about the sparkler? Like you said, bro.
What happened about that sparkler? What happened to that sparkler, bro?
Bro, I want to get wet.
I want to see that sparkler, bro.
Bro, I want to.
Bluff, I already told you. It sounds
Nah,
intimidating.
bro, we're like here, bro.
Purple, don't fight it.
I did
You're
it.
gonna get tagged.
I clipped him.
Purple, we got a whole lobby on you.
I clipped him. I clipped him. I clipped him. I clipped him. I clipped
Bro, you sound like a warthog, bro. Like, no cat.
Hog rider.
Bro, you sound like a freaking warthog, bro.
No, no. Flipped.
Look, man. Purple hat on the slide. Up here. On the stump.
How did you miss?
Please, I'm not that good.
Check this up.
You almost got a coconut, man. Let me up. Yeah. How do you get white again? It's just like
Chili's.
You turn all. Here, I'll show you. So you go to green, you make it 9. And then you make that like 9 turns of white. There you go.
bro, purple.
Good job. Now run, white, run! stump, get the stump, get the stump.
Bro, purple with
You gotta go.
dark purple. Tree stump.
With the cool looking hat, me?
Yeah,
I can't move.
I'll give you one of my famous cookies to get tagged, bro.
Is it grandma's cookies or your own?
Do they have white and sticky stuff in them?
Oh, bro, they're got extra banana.
I think he talking about the marshmallows, bro. The
Damn.
Yeah, marshmallows.
stomach's
Come on,
hurting.
white, top hat, white, top hat, white.
Yo,
coconut
you,
man.
coconut
Bro,
monkey,
it has
coconut
extra
monkey, check me
banana
out.
flavor, bro. Come on.
Watch him, bro. Why,
Bruh.
why is your name Dio? Are you the real Dio?
Oh, stick down.
Sourdough.
Is that?
Sourdough.
Are you the real Dio?
Sourdough.
He's the real
Cannot
Dio.
move.
Bro, dark purple monkey with cool hat.
I think
Would
he's
you get
coming.
tagged
I
for
think
one
he's
of my...
Do you know who Dio is?
Wow.
Yes, I do.
Little
Bro, I've
monkey.
already finished,
Little monkey.
JoJo's. I'm trying to wait for Stone Ocean. I'm rewatching it so I can wait for Stone Ocean.
Guys, I think there's a...
Problem!
What?
What's up,
Bro, purple
I think we
monkey.
should run.
Yeah,
I'll give
what's
you
the
one
deal?
of my famous cookies. Extra banana
No, it's
flavor.
your stupid cookies.
From your grandma?
No, it's your cookies.
I'll give you my
For
candy
what?
cane.
Ooh,
To
for
get
what
tagged.
though?
No!
There's a monkey behind you, by the way. Hey,
Stop,
turn the
what?
mic
My game's lagging.
again. Calm down.
I won't tag you unless you... I'll give you my candy cane if you train me.
Oh, man.
Okay, I can
No.
train you.
Now,
I can train anybody.
Bad boy. Bad boy.
I'm not joking, I can literally teach anybody anything.
Can you please teach me?
Ranching,
No.
Lucio, wall climbing, wall
Purple monkey
running.
with cool hat. Purple monkey with cool hat.
Mm-hmm.
I'm down at the bottom of the ladder to the treehouse.
Coconut up here, up here.
Up here. Let's go, bro. What's good? Man. Bro, do you want my famous cookie, bro, to get tagged?
Wow, bro.
So,
Bro, do you want my famous cookie?
Run, top hat, run.
matter.
Come on,
I always come.
Top hat, I'm sorry, I'm gonna leave you.
That's not me, but I'm coming.
Clipped.
Where'd you go, top hat?
Purple with top
The music's back on. Monkey, monkey, monkey.
Hey, chill.
Naruto speed.
Naruto speed.
I'm sped.
Oh, he's coming.
go.
I'm going to Camp Big Tree.
Everybody's coming. Where's my top hat?
Camp Big Tree time. Wait.
Camping tree. Oh, he loves
Wait, I'm like top hat. Coconut up here.
I got a dad. I ain't camping tree.
I don't see you. Oh, I'm coming. Stay right there.
Oh, look at that lava
Purple top hat. Purple top hat, can you teach me?
Alright, so come here. Come here.
Where are we going?
Come here. Come on.
Oh, I messed up my thing. Let me walk over quick.
Yeah.
Come on.
Uh-huh.
Where you at? Oh. Okay, do not laugh at me. I'm not. I'm good. I'm a mess. I'm actually pretty good at
Hey, tell me.
right now.
Ball yet, Russian monkey? Russian monkey, did you fall?
Yeah, I can't get up there.
Cause he can't get up because he's trying to kill me.
You know what? I'm gonna get rid of my cool hat and pay my respects. I had early access. I got early access when it was like actual early access, like when we see.
Yo, what's up,
Hey, what's up, coconut?
I'm real quick. I'm gonna go whip the sparkler.
Go ahead. Ooh. I'll just be like this.
Okay, got the sparkler in my cool habit.
What's up?
Wait, can I
Guys.
see? Bro, he actually has a sparkler!
Dude, come to slump, guys, come to slump, come to slump. Coconut monkey, come to slump. Coconut monkey, come. Coconut and top hat, blue or white, come to slump.
Coming. Ready? I gotta go fast.
Come here, no.
Top hat monkey, we gotta get a stump, okay?
No, I'm coming to you, I'm coming to you.
Wait,
I'm here. Here, drop down.
why am I playing with one hand?
Sparkler. Right from my butt. Don't burn your eye. Wait, guys, follow me. I got a good route. Follow me. I got a good route.
Gotta go fast.
Ready?
Though.
It's actually a beginner's route.
I fell.
That was a good route.
Because my hand went through the tree stem.
Stem.
My hand went through the tree branch.
No, they got white monkey. They got white coconut.
Oh crap! I just fell in and out.